Welcome back into Talking Fitchburg. I'm Andrew Bamlett, and I am on location today at the Rolling Pin Bake Shop with Tanya. Tanya, how are you today?
Fine. How are you, Andrew?
I'm good. I'm really excited to be here. Jeremy usually gets to come out here, and now today I get to have one of my favorite recipes is pumpkin. Anything pumpkin I love, so I'm happy to be here today. We're making pumpkin muffins.
I'm happy you're here today.
Well, good. And you were telling me before, this recipe that you use for this pumpkin muffin, you use for a lot of things in your store.
Yeah, we do some muffins, we do some cupcakes, and we can also make quick breads. And they're very popular.
And
yes.
whoopie pies.
And,
you told me whoopie pies
right,
too,
whoopie
right?
pies.
Yeah, so that's
Yes.
pretty awesome that you.
Yep.
It's a versatile recipe here.
Very versatile.
So,
recipe.
all right. So, what do we? Well, how do we need to get started?
Well, we're gonna have some pumpkin puree, and
Okay.
it's up to you what brand you like of pumpkin puree, or you can peel pumpkin and boil that, and
Okay.
then make your own.
Okay.
So we're gonna use already pre-made puree of pumpkin.
All right.
So we're gonna add wet ingredients first. We're
Okay.
gonna add some eggs.
Eggs.
Andrew, I think we should add some sugar. This is kind of a lot of sugar.
That's a lot
but-
of sugar.
Yeah, I know. But we're making a lot of pumpkin.
Oh, okay.
So try to mix this
All
together.
right. So
You are
I'm the mixer
stand
today.
mixer
So
today.
I'm gonna.
Yeah. Mix it very good. Okay. Just make sure everything is combined.
Yep. Gotta get all the
Perfectly.
eggs broken
Yeah.
up and
Then
the
I'm
sugar
gonna
made.
pour some, this is our oil, a little bit of water and vanilla.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start pouring and you can
I'm gonna keep stirring.
mixing.
Okay. So obviously,
You're my mixer,
if
do you
you're
remember?
a stand
There you
mixer,
go.
you
Yep.
would just have this going,
Keep
and you'd be
going.
slowly adding this in.
Keep going and going.
Am I doing a good job, Tanya?
Yes,
Doing
you
okay.
do. Can you do faster, second speed?
Second
I'm just
speed.
kidding.
Speed 2. Okay.
Speed 2.
This might be speed 4 for me, but that's okay.
You work with one speed or two speeds?
Well, 2 speed is better,
All right,
isn't it?
that's good.
Okay.
Okay, that's perfect.
All right.
Okay.
So that's a nice liquidy mix
Yeah.
right now.
So now we have this dry ingredients here. So we have all-purpose flour.
Yep.
Okay. And then we have baking soda, baking powder, and a little bit of salt.
Okay.
We're gonna add this.
Put those together.
And our seasoning.
Yes.
What do you think? Guess what's in there?
I think there's maybe some clove, maybe some
Well,
nutmeg, maybe
nutmeg,
some
yes, you got it. And then
nutmeg,
some
cinnamon.
cinnamon, yes. So
No
it goes. Nope, I didn't do it.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm gonna, since you're using my whisk, I'm gonna use my hand to
Okay.
aerate the flour, kind of. There we go. So you're gonna be a mixer again.
Yep. And you're gonna slowly
Speed
add.
number 1.
Speed 1. Okay.
So I'm gonna add a little bit of our dry ingredients, a little bit at a time. Okay.
So you don't want the flour to go everywhere.
Andrew is doing a great job.
If you ever need a mixer out there, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here for you. Right?
Yes.
Tanya, if your mixer breaks down, just give me a call.
Oh my
okay?
goodness, yes.
Okay.
I will be, yes, calling you for sure.
Oh, perfect.
There we go.
I'll tell Jeremy that.
Don't tell Jeremy.
Oh, no? Okay.
No. He might start wanting to be a mixer.
No, he's the face of the TV. That's what he gets to do. He can sit there and talk with you. I'll just be in the background mixing.
Okay.
All right?
Sounds good. Okay, we're almost done.
Yep.
It's hard, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's
It's
definitely
gonna
getting
be
a lot thicker.
Yeah, it's gonna be thicker, but you can do it. Move here a little bit. Yes. There we go. Okay, keep mixing. Okay, you're doing a great job. Wow.
I'm glad.
I
It
think
definitely
you're,
gets tougher. It
that's
definitely
right.
makes a lot easier in a mixer.
That's a biceps exercise, right?
Forearms and biceps.
That's right.
If you wanna work out your forearms, folks, just start coming here and mix for Tanya.
All right, Andrew, a little more. Maybe like a couple more cups
Okay.
here. Almost there. It's gonna be tougher and tougher.
I know, it keeps getting harder.
All right.
So it definitely becomes, I like making pumpkin bread at home, and It definitely gets really thick like this before you
Yeah.
dump it into whatever you're baking
That's
it in.
true. Okay, so you think you can handle this
Sure.
part?
Dump her
Okay.
in.
I am. There you go. Finish line.
Finish line. All or nothing, right?
All, yeah, exactly.
I have to switch my hands.
Okay, almost there. A little more. Finish line is coming.
Yep. Not coordinated with my left hand.
Oh, you're doing such a great job. I love it.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're gonna, well, I decided to add some chocolate chips. What do you
Absolutely.
think? Yeah?
Absolutely. You need
Okay,
chocolate chips in
there
here.
we go. Final touch. Chocolate chips. Oh, I think you did a great job. Now
So
we
that's
can.
your mix.
It's
See, it's really
beautiful.
thick.
It's very pretty, is
Yes,
it?
it is. Yep.
And very colorful and very delicious. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use the ice cream scoop.
Okay.
It's a large one.
Yep.
So, and you wanna scoop it as well?
Sure. Why
Okay.
not? I'll let
Well,
you
I
do
will
the first
show you one.
Show me how much.
I kind of scoop it a little
Okay.
bit more than scoop. So this
a
is,
little overflow of a scoop.
yeah, 3/4 full. There we go.
See, my wife usually doesn't let me do this part, so this is exciting.
It is.
Because I don't always get the right amount.
Oh, you're
These look
doing a
really,
great
these
job.
look really good. So how long do we bake these for?
We bake it for maybe 35 to 40 minutes on 350 degrees,
350?
okay? Yes.
Perfect.
And in the middle of baking, if you really want to do something unusual for the topping,
Yeah.
you can use our toffee pecan topping.
Okay. Is that
We
what's on these
yeah,
ones? Okay.
exactly. Look how pretty it is.
Yeah, they're really pretty.
And they're caramelized.
So that's your finished
on top.
product.
Yep, that's it.
Lovely.
So,
Well, thank
done.
you for
Thank
the recipe.
you.
This is a great recipe. I am excited to try to make this at home now, too.
Yes, please
Have
do,
a new,
Andrew.
Add my chocolate chips in there. I mean,
yeah,
just an added
unusual
bonus,
touch, huh?
right?
Yes.
I love it. All right, well,
Excellent.
Tanya, thank you very much.
Thank
Hopefully
you.
we'll be back in a month or so, maybe
All right.
doing some holiday
Yes, we
stuff
will
coming
do
up.
that.
Man, it's already coming, folks. All right, we're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back. You're watching Talking Pittsburgh.
Thank you.